How do you know what type of video is going to make your business excel? There are so many different types of videos out there, such as Facebook Lives, Instagram Stories, or even professional brand videos. Well, today I have the pleasure of interviewing a video expert, Michelle Daidas, who is going to share with us how we are going to figure out what type of video is right for our businesses so that we can convert our views into profit. My name is Winnie Standish and I have built my successful companies utilizing hard work and dedication. But today I am super excited to introduce to you an expert in the media industry, who is the founder of MD Media Inc. and who is also an award-winning filmmaker and on-camera trainer.
Thanks for having me.
You're most welcome. Does every business need a brand video?
They definitely need a brand video. Whether you're a product-based business or a service-based business, you want to think about creating a professional brand video. Now, why is that? Well, that's because we have exactly 3 seconds to get someone's attention span. We don't want to read copy, we just want the information right in front of our faces, and what better way to do that through video. So another great thing about having a video on your homepage is that it really helps with SEO. So you're gonna rank higher in Google if you actually have video on your homepage and throughout your whole website.
Should you consider hiring a professional to help you with your videos?
You definitely should hire a professional, and it ranges in costs for sure depending on the scope of your video, but think about it, because when you're seeing, shaky cameras and bad sound, again, the attention span gets lost in 3 seconds. So we want to make sure that right on your homepage, for example, you do have that professional brand video, or any other place that you really want to target that B2B customer.
So what is the best type of video for a service-based business?
So you definitely want to try case study videos, testimonial videos, and for example, let's say you're an interior designer. Think about doing something fun like a time-lapse video. So you could start the project, run the camera, and then show the whole process and then the beautiful reveal. Now, how fun and interesting would that be? And you would be totally engaging with your consumers.
But what if you're a product-based business? What should you do in that case?
So how-to videos are the #1 watch videos on YouTube besides cat videos, let's be honest. But you want to think about how-to videos. Show how the product's used, maybe do an FAQ video, an unboxing video, or if you have a little bit of a budget, think about doing an influencer video. So you can tap into their network and they can help you leverage eyeballs so that lots of people watch your video.
So Michelle, what is the sweet spot for doing a video?
The sweet spot is definitely around 30 seconds to 1-minute videos. That's perfect for Facebook ads and Instagram. Anything longer, you can go about 1.5 minutes. Past that, you kind of peter off with your audience attention span. If you want to grow your business, it's really important that you're producing videos every single day. Lives or shooting videos on your phone is a great way to be doing this pretty effortlessly and seamlessly.
So Michelle, these are all great points, and I'm so happy that you shared them all with us today. But can you let me know, where can our audience find out more information about videos and how can they contact you?
Thanks so much, Winnie, and thanks for having me. So you can find me at mdmediainc.com and social handles at mdmediainc.
And lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content like today's video. And leave a comment below, because Michelle will actually go on and answer your question about video so that you can improve your videos going forward. Thank you so much for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Have a positive day.